The original idea of this video was to visit theme-based restaurants in Mumbai and capture my experience. But due to pandemic, I was unable to visit them. Welcome back, this is Sana Khan. Today I will be sharing details about these amazing places with you, hoping that one day this pandemic will come to an end and we will personally be able to visit these places. I have already been to some of these restaurants and vlog of those will be coming out soon. So do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification. Cat Cafe Studio. If you are a cat person, I highly recommend you to check out this Cat Cafe Studio, which is at Versova, Andheri West. Cat lovers can enjoy amazing food and even buy printed t-shirts, covers and so on. They serve amazing coffee, sandwiches, hot chocolate, brownie, bagel and carrot cake. The average cost of 2 people would be 500 rupees. Pratap's Wild Dining Restaurant. This is a jungle theme based restaurant which is ideal for having a la carte or even buffet. The restaurant features live sports screening, live music and valet parking. To imitate the environment of the jungle, occasionally they switch off the lights and play wild animal sound in the background, which is engaging for the kids. Posh, located in Malad West, offers a wide range of Kashmiri and North Indian cuisines, which is well complemented by shikara sitting and beautiful music playing in the background. Aside from terrific thalis, a must-try on their menu include kava, firni, rajma, seekh kebab and more. 2 people would normally end up spending rupees 1500 plus taxes. Bhaijaan's. This Bandra-based casual dining serves lip-smacking dishes including Mughlai, North Indian and Chinese. The average cost for 2 people is rupees 900, which is quite reasonable given that it is Salman Khan themed restaurant. In other words, it is an absolute treat for Bhaijaan fans, but if you are a black buck, I would recommend to maintain a safe distance. If you fancy visiting authentic Maharashtrian cuisine outlet, this restaurant should be definitely on your list. Frequently visited by celebrities, politicians and business tycoons, this Mahim-based casual dining outlet offers yummy puran poli, kothambir vadi, seafood, cocktails, fish, bombil, halwa and much more. 2 people could end up shelling out rupees 1600 rupees. Leaping Windows. An ideal place for breakfast, the Leaping Windows is a cafe situated inside a bookstore. But wait, that's not all. The place is pet friendly and while your pet enjoys this cozy place, you can choose from a wide range of books. They serve crispy onion ring, pizza, veggies, cheese-filled patty, Nutella pancakes and probably the best sinful hot chocolate with marshmallow. The average cost for 2 people is 1200 rupees. Mirchi and Mime. Touted as the only restaurant that encourages the use of sign language, Mirchi and Mime is located in Powai. Moreover, it is wheelchair accessible. It serves North Indian, Mughlai, South Indian and amazing biryani. The average cost for 2 people is rupees 1800 rupees, which is slightly on expensive side, but its classy ambience and amazing food completely justify it. Cafe Hydro. Looking for a place to spend time with your family and friends over coffee? Cafe Hydro might just fill the bill. In addition to the friendly staff, this restaurant is known for serving amazing burgers, mocktails, fries, noodle, dumplings, fish and pasta. The average cost for 2 people is rupees 1200. Rainforest Restaurant Bar. Known for its forest-like ambience, Rainforest Restaurant Bar offers an amazing array of cuisines including Chinese, North Indian, Italian and seafood. The average cost is rupees 1800 rupees for 2 people. Village, the soul of India. Located in Raghulila Mall in Vashi and R-City Mall in Ghatkopar West. Village, the soul of India is known for its authentic village ambience in the heart of the city. Among a slew of other cuisines, the restaurant offers North Indian, Gujarati, Lucknowi, Maharashtrian, South Indian and street food for an average cost of Rs 1000 for 2 people. A legendary dhaba designed exclusively for travelers on the national highway, Dara's Dhaba, serves rabdi, Punjabi lassi, jalebi, biryani, chaach, butter chicken, tandoori chicken and many more delicious food items for an average cost of Rs 1200. Abhiman. Located in Thane, Abhiman has airplane themed restaurant with an average cost of 800 rupees for 2 people. It offers a variety of noodles as well as biryani, paneer tikka masala, chicken 65 and pina colada. It is highly recommended for North Indian, Chinese and fast food lovers. AB Celestial. Highly popular with Bandra people and foodies from across Mumbai, AB Celestial is the city's first floating restaurant. While the vessel is non-movable, it is definitely worth visiting for its unique ambience and view. It is a perfect place for taking your spouse for a surprise date. For an average cost of about Rs 5000 for 2 people, the place boasts a rooftop ambience, DJ and a sea view that makes your visit simply unforgettable. Goa Portuguese. Known for serving Goan and Portuguese cuisine along with Goan cocktails, this restaurant has an amazing ambience and decor with live music. The average cost of 2 people is about Rs 1200. This Mahim-based legendary outlet is wheelchair accessible and offers outdoor seating as well. In short, it seems safe to deem Goa Portuguese as the best place in Mumbai for Goan food. Shikara Restaurant. A popular restaurant in Sanpada that serves Mughlai fare, Shikara has live music and amazing decor, making it an ideal place for a romantic dinner. Some of its specialties include Long Iceland iced tea, cocktails, firni, thali, reshmi kebab, mocktails and dal makhani. If you don't mind spending about 1500 rupees for 2 people, I highly recommend you to visit this place, but don't forget to book your table in advance. Pratap the Dhaba. Dhaba lovers are advised to visit this place, which is located in Oshiwara, for a superior dhaba feel paired with an eye-catching decor and its Punjabi ambience. 2 people can expect to spend about Rs 1000 on amazing food such as butter chicken, dal makhani, lassi, tandoori chicken, jalebi, rabdi, and my personal favorite, pan shot. The Superhero Cafe. Regardless of whether you are a Marvel or DC fan, the Superhero Cafe will sweep you off your feet. Located in Kandivali, this cute little cafe is place to go if you are a big fan of superheroes. Everything from their menu to ambience is unique with walls covered with pictures of superheroes. Aside from serving Jain food, the restaurant serves burgers, pasta, fries, pizza, nachos, Maggi and sandwiches. The average cost for 2 people is about Rs 450. 99 Bollywood. This car-based pub is LGBTQIA friendly. The wheelchair accessibility pub has a dance floor, amazing decor and DJ. It serves food items like pizza, cocktails, pasta, cheese corn balls, chana masala and french fries. 2 people are likely to spend about 2000 here, but the food offers a good value for money. The Oceanius Theme Restaurant. As the name suggests, the restaurant sports an ambience that revolves around the ocean theme. While you enjoy your meal, the wooden decor and blue lights make you feel like you are sailing on the ship. With an average cost of Rs 1000 for 2 people, this Vasai-based restaurant serves continental, North Indian, Chinese and Italian cuisines. Do has 3 outlets in Mumbai, including one in Lokhandwala, Thane West and Marol. The place is known for its funky decor, pop music and of course beautiful swings for you to sit on. It offers impressive food as well as drink menu. I suggest you to check out their burgers, pasta, nachos, pizza, dumplings and cocktails. The average cost for 2 people is Rs 1600. Yeda Republic. Located in Juhu, this restaurant has a lovely ambience, a dance floor and highly appealing decor that makes it a perfect place for partying. With an average cost of rupees 2300 for 2 people, the food and drinks carry steep price tags. But if you don't mind spending more for a memorable time with your friends, I did highly recommend you to visit it, not only for the ambience but also for the amazing food it serves. Do check out their cocktails, mocktails, pizza, dal khichdi, khichda, chocolate dessert and butter chicken. Force Lounge. This LGBTQIA friendly lounge is based in Goregaon East and the average cost for 2 people is about rupees 1200. Some of its major attractions include a dance floor, private dining areas, live sports screening, restaurant bar and lots more. Moreover, the army themed lounge is known for its lip-smacking chicken biryani and chips. Ustad. Located in Lower Parel, Ustad has a reputation for serving some of the city's best cocktails and mocktails. Aside from that, it offers baklava, adana kebab, raan, kadak seekh, custard and a variety of other tasty food items. The average cost for 2 people is rupees 2000. It has a live Bollywood band every Sunday afternoon from 12:30 p.m. onwards. Nawab Sahab. A perfect place for a luxury dining experience, Nawab Sahab is located in Powai. The cuisines include North Indian and Mughlai. This wheelchair-friendly restaurant also offers buffet and full bar. For royal and luxurious dining experience for 2 people, the average cost is about 4000 rupees, which is worth the Royal and King's Palace sitting arrangement and the amazing food it has to offer. Mulk. This restaurant is located in Lokhandwala. While the average cost of 2 people is about 2000, you can get 20% off to dine out. It offers North Indian and Mughlai cuisines and serve amazing lassi, gulab jamun, dal makhni, butter chicken, biryani, chop and jalebi, just to name a few. Angrezi Dhaba has an outlet in Dadar West, Lower Parel, Mahalakshmi and Kharghar. The cuisines include North Indian, Chinese, Thai and European with an average cost of rupees 1500 rupees for 2 people. I recommend you to check out its open roof dining area at night. It's lit. The overall environment is highly appealing and the food is nothing short of amazing as well. Gaylord. This is the concluding restaurant in my list of top 27 theme-based restaurants in Mumbai. Touted as a bakery that has been around for a long time, Gaylord is located in Churchgate. I recommend you to check out their wide range of veg as well as non-veg puffs, bread, muffins, tarts, cookies, rolls and the list goes on. Note that these mouth-watering items are freshly baked. The average cost of 2 people is approximately rupees 2000, but it's good value for money. So that was the list, guys. If there is any place you want me to visit, then let me know in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon now.